Hey, welcome to Fishing with Marcus. I'm Marcus, and today we are here on Lake Wateree. We're gonna try to see if we can get on some crappie, man. Thank y'all for joining me. All right, man, we came down here and got set up on these fish. I'm sitting in 10 foot of water right now. You can see the water's real dingy, but I'm marking the fish, so we're gonna try to catch a few right here. There we go, first fish. There we go. Look at him. Oh yeah, he wanna run too. Look at him. He came up there. He hit it good too, guys. Yeah. He came up there and hit it good too, guys. Stay in here. I don't think he ate him. I think he just bit onto him. He ate that one. Now he ate that one, guys. He ate that one, guys. Oh, that's a perch. Big one too. Yeah, that's a perch. A nice size perch too. Yeah, that's probably what ate that other one, because he wasn't in his mouth. These perch are notorious. You gotta squeeze their gills like this. You don't flare out on me. There you go. Get your flare on so I can go ahead and squeeze it. There he is. They don't want to have though. They just want to open the mouth and eat. They don't want to do nothing else. I'm gonna leave it there though. Let's see. You don't want to eat that. Look at this minnow, man. That's a big minnow. If you want some big old minnows, man, yeah, I know the place. Send me a message, I'll tell you. Yeah, that's how I hooked the minnows. Right under his chin, under his head, and right off the top of his head. To me, it let him swim the longest. Look at him, lively. He'll stay alive a long time in the water. Look at that. Man, that pole been sitting there all that time. Oh, he got a cat on him. That's what it was. The fish wasn't pulling or nothing. I just said, I'm going to check it, because it's been there so long, And here you go, old cat. Man, we up here in 9 foot of water, 9 foot of water, 10 foot of water fishing. And the fish eating right off the bottom. So sometimes you get you some of these here. Watch how you grab that cat. I like to grab him behind his head. Oh, good God. This little cat. I'm gonna let him go back to the world though. We want him bigger than that. That's why, sometimes when they pose, I thought that, I said, man, that pole probably ain't got no bait on it. It's been out there so long. It's a fish didn't hit it. And he just bit it and sat there with it. He didn't even move. So that's craziness right there. There you go. I saw that fish. I saw that fish. That's a good fish, guys. Guys, this is a good fish, guys. This is a good fish, guys. Yes, sir. Slab daddy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get my net in here. Yeah, I got it around here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I saw that fish. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on here, Mr. Crappie. Get in the net. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I told you. They'll be in there. They'll be in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Looking good, dude. Setting them up, using the pan optics to be able to see, like right here. See, got another one right here. Oh, okay, I know what that is. That's that bush. See, that's what I'm fishing on top of, is a bush. And so, don't get too close to the bush, you get in them. But, there we go. That's another fish, guys. Told you I done got on them. Told you I done got on them. Told you I done got on them. Yes, sir. This is a nice fish, too. Yes, sir. Come on up out of there, boy. He under the boat, guys. Oh, he pulling good, too. Yes. Oh, that's a little old cat. Man, good God. I thought it was going to be a nice crappie, y'all. That's a nice cat, though. Let's see if I think the hook going to come out his mouth. I try to flip him, but let's try. Yeah, hook come out his mouth. Save me some time. Get on in there, boy. Good job, Mr. Catfish. Alright guys, see how I moved around a little bit. I went into another creek channel, set up on some brush pile again, same thing. Trying to catch some fish over brush. Good God, boy. Good God, boy. This it right here, boy. Good God, boy. Come on back here. Come on back here. I ain't gonna miss you. Come on back here. I just put that down. I ain't gonna miss you. Good God, there's another fish on that pole. I gotta get him so I can get the other fish. Look at him pulling. I can't even get it. I'm messing with this guy. Alright. Now you got him. Now let's get him. Boy, this is how you hook up, you hear me? This is how you hook up. This is how you hook up right here. This is how you hook up right here. This it right here. Yes, sir. This is how you hook up right here. Get him to the top. Yes, sir. This is how you hook up. Get it over. This is how you hook up right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me get him up. I'm holding him. He fight. He fight. I'm gonna let him fight. I might have to scoop him in a minute. Good God, he fighting. That's a cat. I don't care about that. I care, but let me get my crappie off of the pole. Then we'll deal with that cat. Still going, people. Still going. Look at them, people. He's still. He's a nice fish. Don't get me wrong. He's still going though. There we go. Come on, Big Blue. I'm gonna put my net in the water. Come on, Big Blue. Get in there. Come on. Got him out of there. Big Blue. Got tangled up in this one. Nice, Big Blue. You guys know what we do to the blues, don't we? Let them swim another day. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Oh, he took me into the bush. Took me into the bush and he hit it. That's what he doing. Just break off right there. Took me into the. Got him. Got him. Perch.
What a day of fishing. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos and come back for a little more in the future. And if you see me out on the water, stop and say hey.